One thing about South Africans, they will teach you to be humble. Like it or not, you will follow the rules. If you like expensive things or you have an expensive taste like Scott Mapuma. So guys, it is a video about Scott Mapuma that is currently trending. As you can see, he was showing off his new BMW M40. This car cost more than R1 million. I think it's 2 million, around 2 million, guys. So you can see what guy on an expensive taste. So as an artist influencer, we are only left with 4 months to get to the festive season, so you need to behave. So guys, the people were so happy with it. After he was doing whatever he was doing, showing off his car, he went and greeted those people. They were taking pictures of him, and people are saying, what time, man, let's forgive him. We can see what he's trying, man. One thing about South Africa, guys, as long as you follow the rules, they will forgive you. Like, we do give each other a chance, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, somebody needed to be given a chance. I know Scott Mapuma is already getting the attention from South African people. Love this new Scott Mapuma, guys. So it is what it is. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please